Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss how to check item total correlation in SPSS. So, in order to check the item total correlation in SPSS, the first task is to enter the data of your scale, and the next is to compute variables. So, to check the item total correlation, our first task will be to compute variables. In order to compute variable, we will click this transform button, then compute variable. In this target variable, we will type the name of scale. Here I have used the abbreviation of SC, so I will type SC total. I will send each and every item with the help of this arrow key in this next box, that is numeric expression box, or you can use double click on each and every item to send it in the numeric expression box. The next task is to press this addition key between each and every item. This addition symbol must be there between each and every item of your scale. It means that we are computing the variables in SPSS, and this computing variable is necessary to check the item total correlation before checking the item total correlation of our scale. After sending each and every item in this numeric expression box, as here I have total 11 items of this scale, so I have sent each and every item in this numeric expression box, and then I will press this OK button. In the output window, we will get this command execute. It means that all the items have been automatically added in SPSS. Now the next task is you can check at the end of your data sheet, you can check the additional column with the same name that you have entered in your target variable SC total. Here I have computed each and every item, the data of all 100 individuals. So now the task is to check the item total correlation or validity analysis of this scale. In order to check this item total correlation, click this analyze key, then go to correlate and click on bivariate. Now we will send each and every item in the next variable box, this variable box. Item number 1, then item number 2, item number 3, item number 4, item number 5, item number 6. Again, you can use this arrow key, or you can double click on each and every item to send it in the next column, that is variable box. After sending all the items of the scale, the next task is to send this total score. This is to check the item and total correlation. So this is the additional score that we have calculated by using the compute variables. So after sending all the items, we will click this total score and send it to in the variable box. Now you will click this check by default Pearson correlation, and you will click OK. Now in output window, you will check this total score. This is the item wise correlation of item number 1 with item number 2, correlation of item number 1 with item 3, one by one. This is inter item correlation. All this table shows inter item correlation as well as the item and total correlation. At the end, in this table, you can check the total score. This is the correlation between item number 1 and total score, and what you needed is this score, that is for item total correlation, that is at the end of, that is ending column of this table, 0.805 with double asterisk. This is the correlation of item number 2 with the total scores, 0.254. So this table, this column SC total will show us, it is here to show us about the item total correlation of our whole scale. Thank you.